Hello everyone, get ready, because what you're about to witness will take your breath away. From absolute calm to a nightmare without warning. When nature unleashes its fury, all limits are shattered. Towering tsunamis consume entire cities. Earthquakes rip the ground apart like paper. Fire, ice, and water rise together in the planet's ultimate rage. Find a firm seat and fasten your seatbelt. Today, I'm taking you to the places where Earth reveals its rawest power, the very cradles of catastrophe. Are you ready? Let's begin. Powerful storms spawned tornadoes that devastated the Southeast and Ohio Valley, leaving at least 2 dead and over 400,000 homes and businesses without power.
He's gonna miss us. I've never seen anything like that.
Under the impact of Cyclone Fingal, 500 millimeters of rain fell continuously for hours, causing flooding in Krishnagiri, India on December 2nd. Several days of heavy rain caused flooding on the roads and significant damage to infrastructure in Catania. It seemed like just an ordinary lake, but beneath it lies another world, one filled with things we've never seen before. Geological faults are common, but on this scale, nature seems cruel to its own creation. Before the eyes and shouts of locals, a mountain in Makrana, India, blocked their only mountain road. The screams and cries couldn't save this Ford Mustang anymore. In an instant, the storm tested every construction's quality, and those not strong enough quickly gave way. They celebrated as if it were a triumph. Can you imagine the height of this wave? Fortunately, the landslide occurred at night when no vehicles were on the road. Still, it reminds us to always be prepared for sudden disasters. This is a concrete example of how suddenly natural disasters can strike. Better call a roofing shop. Looks like our friend needs a new roof. In Albuquerque, a massive dust storm swallowed city debris, sending it flying as traffic ground to a halt. In the middle of a peaceful garden, a mysterious light appeared. It's hard to fully describe the ocean's beauty. At an airport, security cameras captured a tornado sweeping through the neighborhood, sending tourists fleeing in panic. In New South Wales, tragedy struck when a couple's house was swept away by floods on their wedding day. In Heraklion, Greece, a car was swept away like a toy. A stark reminder of nature's power beyond our imagination. On a quiet lake in Arizona, a small waterspout suddenly formed, throwing everything into chaos. Firefighters managed to save a spinal column. A chilling moment as nature fused fire and wind into a deadly tornado. A courage worthy of the pride of the dark ocean. I wish I could immerse myself here right now. Nature is truly wonderful. What a magical sight. How many decades would it take to create this? On April 29th, 2022, a violent tornado tore through Andover, Kansas. At the intersection of Andover and Harry, cameras captured chilling close-ups. When nature rages, nothing can stop it. This bridge may be old, but it still stands strong, a living testament to the remarkable construction quality of the past. The tornado roared, shredding everything in its path. Total destruction, nothing left intact. On June 22, 2007, a tornado wiped out their home in Ely, Manitoba, from a peaceful nest to a pile of rubble. The boat capsized in an instant. Witnesses were stunned. This time, nature claimed absolute victory. Humans and animals will become one if we have enough love. Truly miraculous. With the speed and force of the current, without local rescuers, this man might not have survived. It was later revealed to be a patrol helicopter from nearby forest rangers. Flash floods remain a leading cause of fatalities due to their suddenness and sheer power. No words needed, the raging current tells its own tragic story, chilling proof of nature's brutal strength. As the earth warms, boiling mud pits appear more frequently, a clear sign of geology reacting to the harsh impacts of climate change. It would be relaxing to sit by koi fish, enjoying a strong cup of coffee. It's all just a disguise. Art in the skilled hands of an artist. Even as the core force, you cannot resist the devastation of Mother Nature. Against her power, all humans become small. Standing at the edge of the 380-foot Devil's Pool at Victoria Falls is both awe-inspiring and terrifying, where wonder meets the razor's edge of danger. A tumbleweed tornado rolled across the desert, carrying tiny seeds, messengers of life, ready to sprout wherever they land. These scenes prove that no bridge, no building, no city is beyond the reach of nature's wrath. Thank you for watching. Your likes, comments, and subscriptions help us share more and raise awareness. Stay safe, stay alert, and don't miss the next video, because the world's most shocking natural disasters are yet to come.